be playing, she be wildin', she confused, it's obvious. I be drippin' hard, you know I'm kinda stylish. Do me wrong, it's over. Do me wrong, I gotta go.
What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. It's been a little while since y'all have seen the car, so I figured I'd give you a little bit of an update because the car has changed a lot, but here we are. So it is nighttime and I did do just a quick little wash on the car. It's still a little bit dirty, but as you can see, a whole lot with it has changed. I did get a vinyl livery done. It's got 2 satin black stripes going up there, 10-inch stripes with 1.5 inches in the middle. I did have them on the bumper, but I decided I wanted to try it right there for the time being. I do have a new ground effects kit. It's Opti 7. They're red. They're RGB. They can change any color, but I usually run them on red. I still got my Konig 18x8 with 235 Continental tires. Sorry for all the background noise. I'm in a parking lot right now because it had the best lighting. But I did add these little 3.7 badges, which I'm a big fan of. As you guys remember before, I had the running pony, so I decided to change that. I did all these stickers of what I have on the car. They're custom made stickers by Citrus Tinting. So I have my Skar audio because I am running 2 Skar audio Sdr12s in the car on 1500 watts. My MPT Performance, since they did sponsor me and hook me up with a good tune. I got Citrus Tinting since they did all the vinyl, which they actually made me my own custom logo with the Mustang instead of, they had a Toyota Supra or something like that, but wanted to do a Mustang. I got BBK, BMR, and Magnaflow. This car is lowered on BMR GT lowering springs, so it's 1.5 inches in the front and 1.25 inches in the rear, and I mean, this thing just looks aggressive. But moving on to the back, I have done a lot back here. I have the RTR shaved deck lid with a little name for the car, Lucifer. I figured that's kind of fitting. And then I've got the Cali wing now. I got this whole setup for around $200 from one of my buddies. I love this wing so much more than the GT500 wing. As you guys can tell, I do have mufflers on the car now. I'm running Magnaflow, I want to say 14-inch mufflers, and then I have a BBK catted X pipe, and then stock resonators. I blew up the stock cats because of the crackle tune, which is not MPT Performance's fault. You're supposed to run that tune without cats, but me being me, I just said fuck it. And so I paid the price, and then I got the BBK catted X pipe, and I'm running a full exhaust now. It's kind of quiet. I'll put some sound clips in at the end of the video so y'all could hear it. I'm not the biggest fan. I do want to change up the sound a little bit. I might try different mufflers, but I'm not too sure on that yet. I still am tuned. I've still got the same subs, but we will step in the car and I'll show you what's new on the car. So as y'all could see, I do have a new head unit in the car, and this is one of my favorite modifications I've done. Here, I'll turn on the car real quick. Everything's digital now. I have a Kenwood head unit and then a Scosch AC adapter, so everything's all touchscreen now. And then got all my everything that I need, navigation, everything, and I'm in love with it. This car has came a long way. I've had it for 2 years. February 5th was 2 years with this car, and in the 2 years this car has came so far. I still got one thing to show you that's also under the hood, so not much under here has changed, but I'll open this for you. It's a little dirty under here, but as you can see on my strut bar, they did a little cyclone decal for me, and I think it looks good. It just needs cleaned. This whole engine grade needs cleaned. I do plan on getting a cold air intake, and then I want to do BBK shorty headers, but if you look down in there, you can see the cats just a little bit. They're real small. Like, without the mufflers, this car was god-awfully loud, which I kind of liked a little bit, but at the same time wasn't about it. I didn't want to get pulled over for my car being too loud. But tell me what you think of this. I decided to splatter paint my fuse cover box. I passive it, then I splatter painted it just to see how it would look. I'm thinking about doing it on this, but let me know what y'all guys think about that. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I've done on my car lately. I think it looks killer. I'm absolutely in love with this car. I am going to be posting more videos now. With this whole Corona shit, it's been real hard to come up with ideas. But I do have a couple ideas. I actually went and bought a project that's gonna be pretty cool. I don't think y'all are gonna really expect what it is, but it is 4 wheels. It's not a car, but it does have 4 wheels, and it's a diamond in the rough. It needs a lot of love. But y'all will see that in one of the future videos. Tell me what kind of videos y'all would like to see. I also picked up an Elgato, so I'm gonna start doing some gaming videos and all that, like Forza, GTA with some of the boys. But that's all for today. Tell me what you guys think of the car. Do you like the new decals? Do you not? I think it looks killer. I think this car has never looked better. I just think it looks so aggressive like that. But alright guys, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to have a good day.